Namaste beautiful souls, hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Coming to today's topic, it is about Earth Star Chakra activation science. Few people who do not know what Earth Star Chakra is, it is basically one of the minor chakras, but if we talk about spirituality, Nari, Kundalini and chakra activations, then definitely it is one of the important chakras which we need to discuss about especially if you are looking for complete healing, complete cleansing and spiritual advancement and ascension. Right, so a brief introduction on Earth Star Chakra. What Earth Star Chakra basically is. It is one of the chakras which is located outside your physical body, in your aura, approx a feet below your soul. Color is kind of gray, black. Basically, it is of the color of crust of Mother Earth, and its function is apart from the functions of root chakra. Additionally, it helps in deep level cleansing at the microscopic level of all your karmas, of healing from the issues of your past lives, and it provides complete healing so that you are safe, secure, you are happy, and the happiness, the bliss, the healing you are feeling is a complete healing. It is not only at the surface level and subconscious level, but at the DNA level, at your core. Okay, so basically this is the difference between root chakra and your Earth Star Chakra. Root chakra provides healing at surface level, at conscious, subconscious level and somewhat unconscious level, but Earth Star Chakra heals at the DNA level, at the microscopic level. It also heals all your ancestral wounds, ancestral patterns, or past life things, or karmic things, basically all the baggages which are not evident, which are not visible, but of course are acting as hindrance in your progress in spiritual journey, right? So Earth Star Chakra helps in cleansing of that and provides you with complete healing. Now, talking about how do you know that your Earth Star Chakra is getting balanced? Of course, you feel a deep sense of safety, security, happiness. Even if after activation of root chakra, you might be feeling that, okay, I'm doing really great in life. Nothing bothers me. I'm able to control my emotions. I'm able to handle my emotions. They don't bother me anymore. I'm able to let go of the things. I don't overthink. But once your Earth Star Chakra starts getting activated, these thoughts don't bother you. You know, try to understand the difference. First thought was, these negativities are coming to me, but they are getting grounded. They are getting removed. I'm able to detach myself easily. That is in the case of root chakra activation. In case of Earth Star Chakra activation, it is like, what are these thoughts? These are just normal neutral thoughts. You know, you are not at all bothered by that. There's no question of removing these thoughts because you don't consider it as a negative thing. You don't consider any of the experiences as negative. Everything is neutral. Like whatever experience you have in life, it is for your growth. You feel immense level of safety and security and happiness within you. Just imagine if nothing in the world is negative, rather everything is constructive, productive for your betterment. Right? So this is what Earth Star Chakra does. Because it not only heals your, as I have already mentioned, it not only heals your subconscious issues, your conscious issues, but also it clears your unwanted karmas. It clears your past life issues. It clears even the issues, the problems your DNA is carrying, your ancestral wounds, because these are few things which of course we cannot think of, right? Like, of course, we can get to know about some of our past life issues through past life regression and hypnotherapy, but it is not possible for us to know each and everything, right? And believe me, when I say that even the slightest of negativity, or even the slightest of thought, or even the slightest of positivity, any experience, good or bad, any thought, good or bad, whatever is happening to you, whatever is happening through you, to you, by you, is never a coincidence. It is a reflection of some of the deeds in the past, either past in current life or past life or your ancestral patterns. And it is not possible for us to know each and everything, right? But once your Earth Star Chakra starts getting balanced, starts getting stronger and activation and going towards activation, then all these things are healed. Even the minutest things are healed. And this is the reason you are totally unbothered. You don't have to think, or you don't have to, feel like, okay, this is a negative thing, but it's okay. I'm in control of my emotions, because nothing is negative at all to you. Everything is good. Everything is for your betterment. So there is this different level of safety, security, and happiness which you are feeling, or healing of all the past life things and all. You feel grounded. You know, nothing in this universe can disturb your energy, can disturb your aura. Your aura becomes immensely strong. You become totally self-confident, self-aware. You are connected with Mother Nature. You are connected with Mother Earth. You become one with Mother Earth. There is no difference. You have, of course, you have a different perspective, different vision. It happens with all the chakras activations. Like for root chakra activation, you'll have different vision towards materialistic things. With sacral chakra, you'll have different vision towards understanding of the things, and so on. So with each chakra activation, our vision changes. Even with Earth Star Chakra, our entire perception, our entire vision changes even at the microscopic level, right? So these are few common signs of Earth Star Chakra activation. And yes, it's not like it is the same with everyone, but at least if 50% of the signs I've discussed here resonates with you, then I would say that yes, you are on the verge of Earth Star Chakra activation, or you can say that it is almost activated. But yes, please remember that this is a slow process. You have to work on yourself. It's not like in a snap all your past life things will be healed and you overcome all your karmas. No, it doesn't happen, right? So majority of the people, even who have been through all the 7 chakra activation, and let's say whose Earth Star is also on the verge of getting activated, but it is not completely activated unless they are heading towards their moksha, because that is the only thing when all our karmas are clear. So in short, in other words, in simpler words, those whose karmas are completely neutral, zero, they have their Earth Star Chakra totally activated. Others can have semi-activated or might be going through the journey, through the process of activation. As you clear your issues, as you clear your baggages, as you clear your traumas, your problems, your ties, your karmas, your Earth Star Chakra goes on getting stronger and stronger and more towards activation, right? So it is a slow process. Have faith, be patient, be consistent with your practices. Now coming to my journey of Earth Star Chakra activation, I am still in the process of Earth Star Chakra activation. I have cleared almost 50% of my ancestral wounds. I have cleared 8 to 9 lifetime baggages of my past lives, 8 to 9 baggages of my past lives, and I have cleared many other things also. But yes, I'm not completely there. So yes, I would say it is still in the process of getting activated. Yes, it is getting stronger day by day as I heal myself. But it is important for me and for all of us to understand that the moment any new triggers are formed, the moment any new experiences or traumas are formed, and we are getting affected by that, Earth Star Chakra gets a bit weaker. So the more we remain unaffected and peaceful, the more we focus on our other chakras, the more stronger our Earth Star Chakra becomes and goes towards activation, right? And any new wounds or problems drags it a bit back, again depending on the intensity of the wounds, right? Now what can you do to make it activated, and what are the symptoms you might feel? See, symptoms can be a feeling of hot or cold or tingling sensation somewhere in your soles, or you might feel a kind of pressure which is coming from somewhere, like wind blows and it creates a pressure. So similar pressure you might feel over your feet, over your legs, as if there is some wind which is blowing and which is creating a bit of pressure. There might be tingling sensations. There might be a bit of heaviness over that region, especially the soles. There might be hot or cold sensation. You might feel like energy crawling up and down. Sometimes it can be icy cold. Other times it can be extremely hot. So these are the signs that, okay, your Earth Star Chakra has started its journey of awakening or activation, right? These are the physical signs, and I have experienced these signs. Apart from that, there are a few people who experience a bit of heaviness over your legs, as if you are having difficulty to walk, or you are having overweight. Yes, one more thing, right before your chakra goes towards activation, you might have had your phobias, your fears, your anxiety might increase, your weight might go towards imbalance. Either you might put on weight, usually people put on weight, or few might even lose weight, so even that can happen. So yes, these are the things which happen before the activation, because it's like problems coming to surface in order to get eliminated. And yes, once this journey of activation starts, your weight automatically comes down to normal. Your blood, your circulation, basically your blood pressure and any of the blood related things, be it your blood sugar, everything comes down to normal if it was imbalanced before. Usually it gets imbalanced right before the process of activation of Earth Star Chakra. Your body temperature might rise a bit. And for few people, it is like they feel really inclined towards Mother Nature. They might want to spend time alone in isolation in Mother Nature, away from people, away from pollution, away from the modern life, just in some secluded place with all nature, water, trees, forest. They feel really disturbed when they are put in a situation where there's pollution, there is this modernization of things which is not healthy for the environment, right? They feel immense drawn to Mother Nature, to all the creatures, all the creations of Mother Nature and universe, right? So these are the signs. And how can you activate your Earth Star chakra? Meditation is one of the best things. Grounding meditation, Mother Earth meditation is one of the best ones. And apart from that, you can go for mantra chanting for your Earth Star chakra. You can go for visualization, guided meditations. You can do grounding on a regular basis, strengthen your aura, cord cuttings on regular basis, and focus on balancing all the chakras, especially your root chakra, because this chakra has its way through the root chakra. Unless root chakra is healed, this cannot be, strengthened. Unless your root chakra is strong, this cannot be strengthened. It's like, anything heals from the macroscopic level first and then goes towards microscopic, right? So focus on your root chakra, follow all the things to strengthen, to activate your root chakra. Apart from that, if you have a guru, if you have a genuine guru, it's really the best thing. And there is one exercise which I would like to tell you. It is the safe one, so this is why I would like to give it here. This is my technique. Again, you can try with your variations. It is safe, but still, please rule out any medical conditions and please consult your teacher, your guru, before doing any of the practices, no matter how safe it is. Okay. So what I used to do, I used to walk bare feet on ground in garden, and then what other things you can do is spend more time in nature for activation of your Earth Star chakra. Yeah. So what I did was I used to walk bare feet on ground in garden, and then I used to feel as if there is this energy of Mother Earth, blessings of Mother Earth, which is going in my body through the nadis, and it is energizing each of my chakras, and then it is coming down, and basically it is energizing all my body, all the chakras, and then the impurities are going down from the other side of my body and then going inside Mother Earth. It's basically like the circulation which we have. People, students of biology can relate to it better. Pure blood, impure blood, right? Pure blood gets pumped through the heart, impure blood comes back from the body. So that vaguely that kind of concept, like pure energy is coming from Mother Earth, going into your entire body, and impurities getting collected from your body and going into the Mother Earth. And after that, just feel this energy in each of your chakras. And if you can sense any kind of impurities, then give it to the ground, give it to the Mother Earth. And at the end, just express your gratitude to Mother Earth. So this is one of the techniques which I used to do. You can try that and you can see it for yourself if you have any other variations again. But I'm not telling you to do that. Do it at the guidance of your guru, of your teacher. Okay. And yes, coming to crystals, you can use any of the root chakra crystals. Best are lava, black obsidian, black tourmaline, red jasper, ocean jasper. Yes, ocean jasper also works good. And this one, I'm unable to recall its name. It is Mokite, I guess. Yes, it is Mokite. And it was one more. I'm unable to recall its name, which is black. Yeah, black onyx. Yeah, so these are the crystals which really help. Especially black tourmaline, lava, black obsidian. They work wonders. And along with that, you can, yes, bronzite also. Bronzite also works great. Yeah, so these are few things which you can use, or you can wear on a regular basis. Mantra chanting, of course, works a lot. And yeah, these are the few things which you can do for balancing, for strengthening, and for activating your Earth Star chakra. And as I always say, karma, do the deeds, try, make efforts, heal your inner child, heal your past life issues. Just cut your pots on regular basis with any people, with any person, any energy, any experience, which intentionally or unintentionally you are holding on to. Maybe you do not recall. Of course, we do not recall our past lives, right? So just intend that you are releasing everything which is not serving you. Anything, any experience, anything which you are holding on to, any promises, any curses, which is not helpful for you, which is not for your growth. You are releasing all the energies. Just say that. Stay connected to the divine energies. They help you in the process, and most importantly, self-trust is a must. Yeah, so this is about activation of Earth Star Chakra. Do let me know if there are any doubts, and feel free to comment below. I shall be more than happy to help you with any of your doubts, and I'll be even more happier if you share your experiences in the comment section rather than sharing it as private message to me. Because if you write your comments, it is helpful to others as well, right? So yeah, take care, stay blessed, till we meet again.